The first scanner came into the world in 1984. Since then, the scanning technology updates very slowly. In a highly developed smart office today, people still have to use the traditional scanner, which is not user-friendly or efficient enough. We want to make a change. This is the Caesar scanner, a redefined smart office equipment. It is fast, able to store data in the cloud, and it can easily scan books. To improve the scanning speed to less than 1.5 seconds per page, Caesar innovatively uses the CMOS scanning technology and equipped with 32-bit MIPS CPU to transfer the information easily and omit the complicated procedures of installing driver. Caesar Cloud enables automatic cloud processing and storage. To achieve the goal of scanning bounded books, Caesar is equipped with the advanced smart algorithms, which can flatten curve, remove fingerprint, purify background, and split pages automatically. In addition, with Sony HD camera, Caesar can guarantee the high quality of scanning. With embedded OCR function, Caesar can make image editable with one click. With the innovative visual presenter function, Caesar can output 1080 video at 30 frames per second. Caesar is a smart scanner based on cloud computing and IoT technology. No matter where you are, in office or at home, no matter what they are, financial invoices, business contracts, or private collection books, Caesar can always help you scan easily and efficiently.